Hey guys, what is up? I'm sitting in my car and because honestly, I am Daytona has a bath today. So I'm just sitting out here waiting for him to be done. He just started his bath today. So I came home real quick before, like when I picked him up and stuff, and I got two boxes, but I'm just going to show you this one box that I got. I'm so excited. I'll have to show you the box that I also got just recently as well. I already know what's in them, but I really want to show you guys because I'm excited. Like, I am really excited that I'm still continuing on with this journey. It may be slow, it may be like something else. I don't know. So I got an influencer box. So if those of you that may not know what influencer is, it is an app where you can do reviews and you may or may not get products. I have gotten just two boxes just recently this month. I'll show you guys my other video, or I'll show you the other product that I got just recently. But we're gonna talk about this one. So this is my second bougie product I got. Well, yeah, second. You see that? You guys, it's backwards. But you guys see that? Seriously, yes, yes. I'm excited. I'm really excited. I I don't know how to pronounce it. But I got this. It smells delicious. It does smell like a flowery sweet smell. And the packaging is super cute. And I love the inside of it. It's like a purple blue color. And then it and the bottle is adorable. Look at that. Sorry, my teeth look horrible right now. I need to brush them. But yeah. And I don't know, it's just super cute. So it is called My Way by that brand, and it has a sweet flower smell. I quite enjoy it. I'm excited to continue to use it. I sprayed it just a bit, not inside the car because my dog, but I did it outside and I was able to get that smell. And oh my gosh, it smells good. My first bougie perfume, you guys. And that's so exciting. So, but yes, I thought I would give you guys a little bit of um things or a video real quick to show you guys I got this influencer box. And I the one thing I did not get is the the, the campaign, but that's okay. It's all good. I'm just excited that I got something really nice. I'm trying to build up my platforms and all that stuff, and when this came in the mail, I was like, "What? What is this?" So, yeah, comment below, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. I am trying to build my channel as far as it wants to go. Who knows? Um, I do have videos that are in the plans, and watch out for, I think, this Friday's video. Make sure that you guys watch out for that. And yeah, I'll see y'all soon. Bye, guys.